Today, we're going to talk about our professional email templates, available with all paid accounts. These AI assisted templates can help you take your email game to the next level. When it comes to turning leads into loyal customers, the way you communicate matters more than you might think. That's where Open House Wizard's professional email templates come in. These aren't just pretty designs. They're powerful tools that help you nurture leads and increase conversions with consistency and style. Whether you're sending a welcome email, a follow-up after an open house, or even a reminder about an upcoming event, having a polished, on-brand email ready to go can make all the difference. First, let's take a look at some of the available designs. From the main website, openhousewiz.com, go to Pro Email Templates. Here you'll see an overview of how they work, plus examples of all the different kinds of templates. As you can see, these are professional and customizable. You can change nearly any part of the content, colors, images, descriptions, and other details, so each message fits your branding perfectly. Let's see how they work in action. In the Open House Wizard dashboard, go to the Email Visitors page. Choose a visitor. Let's pick this last one. Here under Pro Templates, let's send a just listed email. Here's the just listed template. On the right, you'll see a preview. Below, you can fill in the specifics. Most of it is already pre-filled for you. You can send it as is, which already looks great, or add your own details. Just like with other emails, the AI assistant is available to help you rewrite any part of the message. You can also schedule the email for a future time, adjust the colors, swap out the image, or even add attachments. Once you've made your changes, you're ready to send. Let's do that now. And here's the email we just sent. It's professional, on brand, and works with just about any style or branding. With these templates, you'll follow up better and more professionally, nurture more leads, and ultimately close more deals. Quick, easy, and extremely powerful messaging. Can't wait to see what you create with them. Thanks for watching.